The next brought in, the basic blocking style track is the first versus racing.
So I got an idea. I'm really addicted to my phone, and if I want to get things done, there's always social media or other apps in my way. Maybe you can also relate to that in the current way we are living. But there are some options or helpers. For example, Brick, an NFC device which blocks you from social media or blocks basically the social media apps or other apps you choose. But there's also some apps like ScreenSend or SendScreen, I don't know, which set basically time limits, or you can also set it on the iPhone directly, I guess, with the screen time. But these are some options where you can really like skip away with this screen time or maximum screen time on a social media app. And I think Brick, these finished products work perfectly or fine. I heard only good things. But I kind of like the DIY idea, and in the end it's just the same, like it's an NFC tag with a good software, but I found a way, of course also with the AI, to make it my own way, or like a DIY version where I designed the housing with the name and design with an NFC tag, and there's a software, it's called Blocked, I think. It's just freeware and it basically does the same. But with Brick, I think even if you delete the app, that's how I understood it, you have 5 keys, virtual keys left, where you can somehow unbrick it. So if you lose it, and you already use the 5 keys, I think you can write to the support. But with the free version, it's a little bit different. When you delete the app, I think the social media apps are free then. So I think it was a good idea. It's free, the app. Just wanted to make my own version, and I came up with this design. For the assembly, I have these 3D printed parts, so the main part and then the back part where you basically place the magnet, and I just use some standard NFC tags to place them carefully here in the middle. For the magnet, I just use one of these 6 millimeter magnet, and I have to be honest, I just designed them with not that much space, so I'm trying to somehow fit it in, and on the end I printed some TPU like feeds, or however you want to call it, just that when you place it on a fridge, that it doesn't like move that easy, so you have a little bit of resistance from the rubber. Okay, and this is the finished product. Let's see if the NFC is working. Just go into the locked app and just register a tag, create, and you have set a new tag. And then you can basically, as I said, you have 3 options to choose. Just locking personal. If you press long, you can choose the apps you want to block, and you're good to go. So you can lock it, and you can basically unlock it. I think it's kind of a nice way to somehow stay a little bit away from social media, and I wanted to make a little project out of it. So if you like the design, just give me a feedback. You can download it on makerworld.com. I will upload everything on there. So basically the design, and you can include an NFC tag download the free app, and you're good to go. That's all. Cheers, guys.